Hi, good morning everybody. This is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a really exciting used car walk around. This is the 2022 Porsche Taycan GTS. This is an all-electric sports sedan and comes in a white exterior with this dark gray and black interior. Notice the sunroof here actually goes from basically the front of the vehicle almost all the way to the back. Really, really cool. And of course we've got some blind spot assist here as well. Power opening and closing trunk. We have the Bose sound system throughout the vehicle. And rear seats. Another look at that sunroof. That is definitely a panoramic sunroof. Really cool. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we do have memory seats. Driver seat controls right down here. Driver door controls. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is currently at 5,546. And we do have a push button ignition. So you'll see the Porsche navigation system here, radio, and backup camera. Climate controls are all right here. We have our shifter. And look at the center console here. And let's go ahead and dive into just a few of the features that you can access through the touchscreen. So, various drive modes, just like you'd expect. You notice as you change those drive modes, the chassis height can also change. So you can change that from a lifted configuration all the way down to the lowered configuration. Especially that lift one, you'll notice it'll actually pop up and ask you to, did you like using the lift feature at this location? Is there speed bumps and things that maybe you'd visit frequently? And you can actually save this so it'll automatically go into lift mode when you enter that location via GPS. So even this electric sport sound, just really fun when you're driving down the road, just gives it that feel of kind of a classic combustion engine within the electric vehicle. Of course, customizable ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. And heated and ventilated seats. Really, really nice. And of course you can customize the steering wheel and the seat to adjust as you enter the vehicle. Plenty of more features here. If you got any questions or want to see any photos, just reach out to us here, feldmannimports.com.